Tell you what, that was awesome. Almost 5 minutes since I broke this glass. And it's still crackling. So, hey guys, what's going on? Rob with Survival USA Pro. I just came into my garage and I've been testing out the new pin, the new product. Mainly been testing the double tungsten tip glass breakers. I had a huge sheet of tempered glass, but look at those tips. I don't know if it's going to focus in on it, but they're badass, sharp, double tungsten tips. Anyway, I had a huge sheet of tempered glass, and I hit it about right there, and it just spread all over the place. Look how far it went. I didn't hit it with that much force because these tungsten tips are pretty sweet for breaking glass. That's what they're made for. But I mean, come look at this. That takes a little.